Okay. Yacht tour, you know. Come on, Mom. Here we go. Put the lock on. She got there in the end. She's falling. Okay, I'll shut the door. There we are.
I'll sit down.
Comfortable chairs.
Yeah.
The living space.
You're rocking. Nice TV.
Right, so we're going to go down this area. We've got the kitchen area. Okay.
Very nice.
Cupboard space.
Yeah. Something here.
Right.
Go in this one first.
You're going to go next one, okay.
Oh.
Ooh. Big jump on the bed. Test the bed out.
It's a bit hard.
No, you don't test the beds out like that. Right, I'll show you. Oh, we've got little peepee windows. Ooh.
Wow.
And oh, TV.
Skylight.
Skylight. Right, now let me do the bed test. Here we go.
Break
Watch my
back.
head. Right, okay. Big spring.
Told you.
It's hard. What we got here then?
Let's have a look. Shower and toilet.
Where's the light? There. Ah! Okay. Shower, toilet, sink, blinds. Okay. What's here? This looks. Oh, cupboard space.
Ooh, the shower room.
What do you think, guys? Mirror, blind, shower. Okay.
Okay.
Another door. What's it's dark? Where's the light? Ah! So, second bedroom.
Yes.
Another plasma. Has it got a toilet in this one?
Here.
Go for it then. Ah, and shower. Very nice. Ooh. What's this room here?
Oh,
That's a double bed. Bunk beds. Jordan would never get in that bed.
tiny.
Tiny, look. Bunk beds. Tiana would be fine, but Jordan, not a chance.
Only just. Wow.
Oh. Right, okay. There's another area we can show you guys. Mind the step. So, my favourite area is out here.
That's nice.
It's really nice out here, guys.
Definitely.
So there you go. So right, let's go back out. This is the area what you like best, eh, Mum?
Yeah, this is nice.
Mum likes this area. So we got seating area again. Very nice. Many people can be up this area. Back here, some more sun loungers. And on the back, a view of Dubai. And we've got some more yacht voyages. See the size of that yacht over there?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think then to the yacht, guys?
Yeah.
Comment down below what you think to this yacht. It's fun.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a different experience. And I think it's really cool.
Very cool.
Relaxing.
Very relaxing. Apart from the waves.
Oh yeah, Mum earlier on was literally saying, I think we might have to turn back. She got a bit nervous, but I've reassured her she's fine now.
Was a bit rocky.
She was like a snail crawling down the sides on the rails, literally like a snail. I was like, come on. This time we're wasting here. Was excited about coming on this yacht, and she was just snailing down the side.
That's because it was rocky.
Yeah, the waves was a bit strong. Well, yeah, we sorted ourselves out, didn't we?
Yeah, just.
Well, today's the day, the 20th of November, anniversary day.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Great.
Had a good time?
Yep, very nice.
So this is the side of the boat where Mum was being a snail earlier on this narrow path. Now look how fast she is, look. Look at that. She's had yachts all her life. Look at that, guys. The view is awesome.
That is amazing.
That is a picture. So, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go right to the very front of this yacht and try and get a nice shot from the very front. So let me try and do some of my type of walking. Oh dear. Oh, I made it! Made it, guys! I'm literally, look at that! Yeah, I know, but look at the views! Believe it or not, guys, there's a chair right there. Mum's saying don't do it. But you've just got to do it!
You are
you going to
crazy.
sit on it?
Not a chance.
Right. If I fall overboard, will you jump and save me?
Not a chance.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
He's done it.
Feels weird.
Happy now?
Are you going to sit there? Are you having a go?
No!
Just imagine if he was in bed now, look. Or if Jordan was there sleeping, we could... Get up, you're missing the fun. Oh no. Right across there, guys, Dubai Marina, Dubai City. And we got lost in there in the Lamborghini.
Yeah,
We got lost in there, didn't we, in the Lamborghini? Like a maze.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty that is, isn't it?
Yeah,
Look
that
at
is.
that.
Oh.
It's a restaurant on, that is literally a restaurant on water. Everyone was dining on top deck. You see that, guys? Awesome. So this is the closest you're gonna come to where I am. Eh? Is that it? So you literally just come off the sun lounging area about a foot, and that's it. Eh? Why don't you hold my hand? Come on, hold my hand. I would never pull you over on that anniversary day. At least tickle my palm then, tickle. Tickle it, be brave, tickle.
No.
You what? Tickle my hand then. Look, I'm leaning forward more closer. Look.
Yeah, you still young.
Look on, this is the hand of love. Come and touch it.
Why do we get off the bed?
I will not pull you. That means you're very brave and I'll be proud of you if you touch my fingers.
No.
Just my little finger then.
No.
That finger there. There, go, connect. Yes! This is the place to be. This is the most relaxing part of this yacht. If you can hear me over there, guys, I'm a bit far away.
You look really comfy.
It's great. Got the living room there. It's all lit up. Ooh, thank you very much. One for you, one for me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's see if I could actually... Oh, it's off shower. I'm in. That's soft.
Softer than the bed.
Yeah. Let's go. Wow. We could have some music blasting on, but nah. I don't want no bass like boom, 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 boom in my ears tonight. Oh, just look at that hotel, guys, Atlantis. Beautiful. Right, because it's anniversary, it's my duty to make sure you get back to the hotel safely, because I've got one more surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
One hour later.
Come on, man. This is your surprise. Wait for it.
Beautiful.
Happy anniversary. So beautiful, guys. Hello! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Oh, that is so cool.
That is lovely. Do the day one?
Yes, please. He sneaked up the side just there, and he waved to me, went, "Yeah, can I do it now? Can I do it now?"
That was a really nice surprise. Thank you.
Have I made your day?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you, Tiana.
Thank you, T. Love you.
Love you too, babe. I'll see you soon, yeah? Bye.